Okay, I'm going to explain about the principle and production of the laser. I'm going to explain about the principle and the production of the laser. There are interaction of radiation with matter having the three types such as the absorption, spontaneous emission and stimulated emission. Now let us study what is absorption. All of you know that absorption means the word itself suggests that it is absorbing. It is the absorption of an incident photon by a system as a result of which the system is elevated from the lower energy state to an higher energy state. It is the absorption of an incident. It refers to that the photon is absorbed and from the lower energy state to higher energy state it is absorbed. It refers to that the atom present in the lower energy state will jump to the higher energy state. As you can see here the diagram, these E1 and E2 are the two energy levels. Here there is one photon which passes through these energy levels and the atom present in the energy level E1. After the photon entering to the energy level, the E1 energy level, the atom present is jumped to the E2. Hence, its energy increases and jump to E2. He will be vacant. Vacant refers to no. Nothing is there in E1. It is jumping from E1 to E2. Therefore, we write it as the rate of absorption R12 is directly proportional to N1 U of gamma. You understand that what is R12. R12 means energy level 1, energy level 2. It refers to the atom jumping from 1 to 2. Next one is N1. N1 is the number of atoms per unit volume in the lower energy level. Means the number of atoms present in the lower energy level. It is known as N1. So they will write it is directly proportional to N1. U of gamma is the energy density of the radiation. U of gamma is the density of the radiation which enters. It is known as U of gamma. So we will write the formula as R12 means the rate of absorption from energy level 1 to energy level 2 is equal to B of 1 to N1 U of gamma. U of gamma means the energy density, N1 is the number of atoms and B12 is the Einstein's coefficient. 1-2 means from the energy level 1 to 2. This is the explanation of the absorption. Next, let us see what is spontaneous emission. As the name suggests that spontaneous emission. Emission means the word suggests that emitting. Here there is E1 and E2 energy levels and E1 and E2 are the two energy levels. This is before and this is after. Before the energy present, the energy level E2 has an atom which is in the higher energy level. When after it comes to lower energy level by emitting a photon. But here we does not give any of the photon that entering to E1 and E2 energy levels. Only it emits. Hence it is known as the spontaneous emission. Similarly, here R21 is directly proportional to N2. Here the term U of gamma is not there because we are not giving any photon entering to these energy levels. E1 and E2 are the energy levels. This is before, right? But the photon will be not entered through these energy levels, so that U of gamma is not present in the spontaneous emission. Whereas A of 21 is the Einstein's coefficient for the spontaneous emission. So the formula becomes R21 is equal to A21 N2. Last one is the stimulated emission. This is also an emission, but the photon is entering to these energy levels. The photon will be entered to these energy levels and the atom present in the higher energy level will come to the lower energy level. Here we will give one photon entering to the energy level. After it will give two photons. As you can see here. Therefore, the formula becomes R221. You understood what is 2 to 1, right? From energy level 2 to 1. and B21 is the Einstein's coefficient, N2 is the number of L atoms present in the lower energy state, and U of gamma is refers to that the photon is entered here, right? So we write U of gamma. Whereas in spontaneous emission, the no photon will be entered, only it will be emitted one photon. So there is no U of gamma. In the next video, I will explain about the Einstein's theory of stimulated emissions. Thank you.